The history of cartels in Mexico spans several decades, rooted in the country's unique geopolitical and socio-economic landscape. The beginnings of modern Mexican drug cartels can be traced back to the 1980s. Prior to this period, drug operations were primarily small and disorganized. However, everything changed with the emergence of the Guadalajara Cartel, led by figures such as Miguel Ángel Félix Gallardo. This cartel capitalized on Mexico's strategic location between Colombia, the major drug-producing country, and the United States, the largest consumer market. By collaborating with Colombian cartels, the Guadalajara Cartel established an extensive trafficking network, setting a precedent for future criminal organizations. In 1985, Félix Gallardo's arrest splintered the Guadalajara Cartel into several smaller groups, among which were the Tijuana, Sinaloa, and Juarez cartels. Each of these new cartels quickly asserted dominance in different regions of Mexico, engaging in violent turf wars to control trafficking routes. The Tijuana cartel, led by the Arellano Felix brothers, became notorious for its brutality, while the Sinaloa cartel, led by Joaquin El Chapo Guzman, would grow to become one of the most powerful cartels in the world. The 2000s saw the rise of the Zetas, an armed wing of the Gulf Cartel composed of former elite military personnel. Known for their military tactics and ruthless methods, the Zetas soon broke away to form their own cartel, further escalating the violence in Mexico. During this period, the Mexican government, under Presidents Felipe Calderón and Enrique Peña Nieto, intensified its crackdown on cartels. Massive military operations led to the capture or killing of key cartel leaders. However, this created power vacuums that spurred even more violence as rival factions fought to claim dominance. Cartels also diversified their activities beyond drug trafficking, involving themselves in human trafficking, extortion, and oil theft, among other illicit trades. Despite U.S. and Mexican efforts to dismantle these organizations, cartels like Sinaloa and Jalisco New Generation remain powerful and continue to adapt. Today, Mexico's cartel landscape is characterized by fragmentation, with numerous smaller groups emerging, contributing to ongoing violence and instability. The cartel's evolution reflects broader issues of corruption, poverty, and demand for illicit drugs, which continue to fuel their existence and influence in Mexico.